Welcome to today's house tour. I am extremely excited to show you this property in Bay Heights. Bay Heights is a really well located neighborhood, 3 minutes from Brickell, 3 minutes from Coconut Grove, and 5 minutes from Coral Gables. Best location, peaceful, quiet, green, but right next to all of these vibrant neighborhoods. And I almost forget one of the most important parts, pricing. This property is priced at $4,250,000. By the way, I am Stefania Magolan, your Miami and local real estate agent. So if you're interested in this property or any other property you want to buy, sell, or rent, all of my information is going to be here and also on the description box. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move, maybe, to this amazing property. This property counts with over 3,600 feet of living space and is sitting on a lot with over 13,000 square feet. This property has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bath, and extensive living space, floor to ceiling windows that look to the pool. You have a summer kitchen. It's amazing, this property. Without further ado, let's go and take a look. The good thing is that as soon as you step into the property, you're encountered with these incredible high ceilings that goes up to 17 feet. And best of all, you are welcome with this incredible view of your private pool and jacuzzi. As you walk throughout the house, you can see and you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it through the microphone, but you have a sound system all throughout the house. By the way, this house was built in 2014, so it's one of the newest houses in the area with the biggest lots, especially for this price point. Now you can appreciate how bright this space is. You have windows on the back, on the front, on the corners, all throughout the property, floor to ceiling. So you're gonna have natural light almost all day round. You have no obstructions in either side of the property. This is a private neighborhood. It feels almost like a gated community, and you have security patrol 24/7. So best combination of all aspects. Look at this view. Think of you sitting in the couch, grabbing coffee in the morning, or chatting with your friends and having this view of the pool. But we're not gonna see this pool just yet. I'm gonna show you later on in this video. Now, on the other side of the property, you are encountered, first of all, with your guest bathroom. Here you have a half bath with all amazing finishes, just like the same all throughout the house. 2 steps down, I kind of like the levels that you get divided all throughout the property. So it's not just like a flat level all around, so you can create separation of the spaces. You do have 2 eating areas. The first one is this one that I have right here for dinner, for your guests, a more formal dining experience. You have it here. By the way, I am obsessed with mirrors because it reflects, it bounces back the natural light all throughout the property. Everything stays in the property. If you like the furniture, you can keep it. If not, it can be delivered vacant. One of the things that I really like is that you're gonna see textures and accents all throughout the house, especially with the wallpaper. So you do find accent walls in the living room and spaces like this with really high quality wallpaper. Now on this side, right here, you are encountered with the kitchen, and look at what they did here. It's like an entertainment TV area, breakfast place kitchen. So it is really welcoming to these people that like to host or like to chill while somebody else is cooking. Or if you don't cook, you can be opening your DoorDash here and just go back in the couch and watch your TV. Now, here in the kitchen, you do have the 2-level island with double sink, and you also have the mix of colors also on the countertops and the cabinets. Cooktop, lots of cabinet space here, also on the back, which I'm gonna show you in a second. You have a wine cooler, and all of the appliances are thermador. Here you can see the fridge. So really, really high quality appliances as well to match the level of the property, of course. And now, remember how I told you there was more pantry space? Well, here is the laundry area. It is not the prettiest place, but it's very, very useful. And it also has a window. So you have laundry area, more pantry space, an extra fridge. So here you can store more and more things. Stepping into the primary suite and room, you are encountered with, again, so much natural light and a view to the pool, but we're gonna get that in a second. Look how bright and big the space is. Here the ceilings are about 14 feet high. You do have blackout windows, the ceiling dropping, building light. Also, fun fact, this property was built by MG developers and it was built for themselves. So you can appreciate the dedication, the appreciation to details in every little thing that is done in this property. As you can see here, when we flip to this side, you can see all of this beautiful view from your bed towards the pool. It's a great way to start your day, start the morning, energized, and there is nothing that screams more Miami than this. Now, on the other side of the wall, right here, you are encountered with the primary ensuite bathroom. Double vanity, double mirrors, cabinets under each sink, and you have your stand-up shower with double shower head. Your separate space for the toilet, which by the way, the toilet is a smart toilet, AI toilet, because it leaves the lid as soon as you step close to it. On this side, right here, you have the walk-in closet. So it's all a combined space. As you can see, there are no doors except for the shower and the toilet area. Everything else is like very flowy. Here you have a built-in closet area, fully done. I think this closet will only be for me, because I have so many things, but it's very, very spacious. All of the walls are customized already. So you have this, and on this other side, right here, you have the other closet. So you have two closets on this primary bedroom area. So these two panels are also closet space that are fully customized. So you have more space right here. Now, this is a backyard. You have your heated pool right here with 3 lounge chairs, your jacuzzi, your outdoor furniture, amazing lush greenery tropical space, and your summer kitchen right here. I don't cook, but I expect somebody to come and cook for me in the summer. Here you have the barbecue area, plenty of space to seat all of your guests, all of the appliances that you need to entertain and have fun. It's called a summer kitchen, but there is no such thing as summer in Miami. It's always summer here. So I prefer to call it your outdoor kitchen for the year-round summer. Here you have like barbecue, like I said, the ice maker right here, sink, everything that you may need. You have it right here. For the pizza lovers, you have that option as well. Now, another thing that I love besides the pool, one of the things that I love in life is the sound of water. And this pool has it. It has water effects there, which I'm still trying to figure out what the name of it is, but you also hear the water dropping from the jacuzzi to the pool. So even at night or on the cold days, you can relax by the sound of the water. By the way, I say cold days, you can also get in the pool because remember I mentioned it's a heated pool. Another key factor about this outdoor area is very important to have a bathroom. So you do have an outdoor bathroom with a completely separate entrance right here for the convenience of your guests, yourself, and also you don't get the dirtiness of the outdoor into your property. So you have a full bathroom right here for your convenience. A key factor to mention that this area is completely covered and the ceiling goes all the way here in the back. Now, in the back of your summer kitchen, you have 2 covered parking spaces. Now, walk with me here because this is a key factor of this property. Remember, the lot is almost 14,000 square feet of land. So you have the 2 covered parking spaces, but look at this driveway and also the entrance of the property. It's all areas that are convenient for you to park vehicles. I can easily say you can park over 10 vehicles in this property, which in Bay Heights, it's a major asset because there is no street parking here. Now, on this side of the property, you have the other 3 bedrooms. Now, you're gonna meet me right here because 2 of the bedrooms have a Jack and Jill bathroom. These 2 bedrooms are the exact same layout and square footage and the mirror itself. So here you have double vanity for both bedrooms. And right here you have shower and toilet. This is a shared space, but remember the property counts with 5.5 bathrooms, so you have plenty of bathrooms to use. So this is the main door entrance for this bedroom, and to the right you have the walk-in closet. It's pretty large, and remember the ceilings of this property is really high, so you have plenty of room to storage your shoes, your clothing, and your accessories. Now, this is the bedroom. Like I mentioned, there are accent walls all throughout the property with wallpaper. I like it that every bedroom is very different. You have the accent wall, this type of flooring that is different from the rest of the property, and you're encountered with these windows that face the front of the house. Again, a lot of lighting coming through, which is amazing. You have a mount TV station right here that's really cohesive with the rest of the property. Building lights, everything is ready to go. This other room is the mirror of the room that I just showed you. Is the exact same layout and size as the other one. Like I mentioned, they shared the bathroom. Then we have the 4th room, which is now utilized as an office or as a lounge area. You can choose and decide anything you want to do with this room. And lastly is the maid's room, which is the smallest one in the house, and it is actually located by the kitchen, and it has its own ensuite bathroom. And this has been all for today. If you're interested in this property or any other property here in Miami, Florida, whether you want to buy, sell, or rent, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All of my information is going to be here and also on the description box. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move.